All right, folks, here's 3 more chart requests from over here inside of the Discord. If you guys have chart requests, just drop them right here in the chart request thread. We're taking them right from the chat. The first one we're looking at here today is Intuit. We've been talking about this one for the last couple of months. It's sold off very hard here from $800 all the way down to around $320. Big company, right? $8.5 billion quarter last quarter. The stock's down over 70%. We like stocks that go down like this, right? We're not scared. We actually want to buy good companies when this happens, right? And Intuit, one of the biggest tax companies in the world. They have QuickBooks. They have TurboTax, right? They're one of the biggest tax companies out there. Really what I'm waiting on to see if the bottom's in is the green dot, right? We bounced right there at 300. That's a pretty big psychological level for Intuit. And again, the last time we got the green dot with the wave down here was back in February of 2023. It went from $400 all the way up to $800 for a 100% move, and now it's sold off again. We're not scared of this capitulation. We just want to wait for confirmation there, either on the monthly or the weekly chart. Again, this stock has been hit hard, okay? And it's a huge company. Revenues look fine. I think this one looks good down here. Definitely trading at a cheap price, right? At a price we want to accumulate because, again, we track the 4-year average. The 4-year average is going to be that blue line on our charts. Again, if you come over here to the cheat sheet, okay, the 4-year average, the mean is just another word for average. We never want to buy names that are up off the average. We either want to buy when they're down below or into the average, into the mean. And you could see how far down below Intuit is below the 4-year average right now. I mean, you're talking about a 44% discount, 45% discount. So that tells you, right, the stock is down here because we're below the mean, right? We're below that 4-year average. We look at things on a long-term perspective. Okay, these trades are for 1 to 6 months out. Okay, and a great way to tell if you're getting a good price is to see either if we're into the average or we're below the average. I think Intuit looks really cheap here. The next one's going to be Sofi. Sofi still has its green dot down here. Again, we've been saying the bottom's in right here at 15 for a while. As long as we hold 15, I'm still very bullish on Sofi. We're just waiting for the wave to come back up here and give us our red dots. Again, these are 1 to 6 month swing trades on the weekly chart. We are not day trading here. Okay, the last time we got the signal was back here in April of last year. That was at $10. It went all the way up to 30. I know all the influencers were telling you guys to buy it up here, but again, just back to the cheat sheet. Okay, when we get that separation off the mean, that means you're buying stuff at a premium. Okay, we don't want to buy up here way off the average. We want to buy into the average or below the average. That's just how we invest in our assets. And the last one's going to be Coinbase. Again, look where the 4-year average is. We're buying it below it right now. Again, we're not buying it above it. We want to buy into it or below it. Okay, so I like all 3 of these names. All 3 of these look really, really good. If you believe in them, that was Sofi, Coinbase, and Intuit.